Hi everyone. So today I'm going to open up this auto ship that just got delivered, like literally just right now. If I had known that it was on its way like this, I would have waited on doing the unboxing of the Diamond Press Grand Marquis auto ship. So that's kind of a bummer because they're going to be two separate videos, but that's okay. So hopefully you'll enjoy this video too. So this happens to be the Diamond Press auto ship through HSN of the stamp, mega stamp kit. I want to say it was a Today Special, right? It was like a mega stamp collection, and then there was an auto ship with it. I think that's how it started. So this one is called Summer. So we're going to open this up. Again, whenever it's an auto ship like this, it just came out. They generally don't have overstock or anything like that on HSN or at Diamond Press's site, but they might. So, you know, if it's available, I'll try to link it for you guys. If it's through HSN, it'll be linked down like in here. Maybe I'll link the first iteration of this, or however, if those are still available. Those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So thank you for using those if you would like. I super appreciate it, guys. It keeps the channel going, keeps me here being able to make these videos if you use those links. And again, if you have any discount codes or coupons, or if the item is discounted, it's all the same. You can always use those coupons, and if it's on sale, it'll be on sale if you use my link or not. You know, it's always the same pricing, so no fears on that. Okay, so let's get this guy opened up. I was waiting for some stuff from Lancome, but I was like, you know what, it's not going to get here in time. I have to go pick up Miranda, so we'll just open this up for now, and I'll leave that for another day because that is going to be delivered today, but it's just not here yet. So let me make sure my information's not all over the place in this, and it doesn't look like it. So check that out. I see that there is a font stamp set in here. To be honest, I really love receiving these when they come in because I say receiving, I bought this, but receiving sounds like someone gave it to me. But anyway, because it's such a big package. I love a big package. All right, so let's open this guy up. And a big craft package. Okay, here we go. Let's see what they have for summer, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, that was probably real loud. So, set of markers. I will say I have my last set here, just to show you the difference if the markers are different, you know, because you know, the original set is around here somewhere else, but that was a separate auto ship, the one that came previous to this, or prior to this one. And these colors are definitely different colors, so it looks like maybe there's some that are similar. No, that's not even true. Look at how light teal that is, and this one's like tealish. This one's more turquoisey. So that's really cool. I do like having all the different, even the lime green. This one's a little darker than like the light color of this one. So that's great. Just want to show you that. Oh, it does come with inks too. So I actually have the inks from the last one here too. But anyhow, the pens are really cool. They have the brush nib, and then you have your fine tip, of course. And I do love that, again, like they're different colors. And these guys, you can color with them. I've shown you guys how you can use these as watercolors. Obviously, you can color things in, but these are water-based markers, right? Which actually reminds me, Diamond Press had put out a set of alcoholic markers, or they were going to, and then they found that some of the colors were off, there were some issues, and so they basically ditched that whole stock, which is really hard for a company to do, but they are like, we can't put this out. So I do have the samples of those, and I use them here and there. I thought they were okay, but, you know, they do their... they know what they're looking at, right? So that's great. But it was supposed to be on HSN, and then they were going to release them like in August, and August has come and gone, right? We're in March of the next year, so hopefully they'll do the alcoholic markers again. I really enjoy using them. So anyway, these are water-based. You have your, I think it's like 20 or 24 card bases, and to be honest, I just keep these here and I use them in my tutorials. So if you ever see I have a card base that's ready to go, it's usually from this kit, because that's just how I've been using them. So you can do whatever you want, they're yours, right? It comes with a pocket. I love these pouches. Hopefully they restock these. They might have them on their site. These are really great. Honestly, whenever I work with like Spellbinder stuff, or like now Hero Arts, or I get things for LDS Creative, I always put the collections like in these bags. So now I'm like, okay, this is the one for this time, you know, and it's due at this date or however. And I love these pouches, but it comes with a zipper pouch. It does come with, I think this is a standard size pouches, right? And pockets, and there are 6 of them with 6 labels. Again, really, really great. How I use these is I kind of separate these up in what makes sense to me. You know, it might be like sentiments or layering stamps or whatever it might be. Oh my gosh, it's getting hot. I'm telling you guys all day long, I'm hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. Okay. You know, I just try to house them in here that way because there are way more obviously than 6 sheets of stamps here. Now these are the colors. Ooh, they're very bright. These are last times around colors, right? The light blue, non-smudge ink, and they're waterproof. They are pigment inks, so the green is darker than that light green. Of course, the original set is around here somewhere too. But we have these guys. Very pretty. So we have, again, I don't think they have names on them, so you just kind of have to look at it. It looks like a really deep royal navy, if not black, but it's pretty much a royal navy color. A beautiful pinky purple, bright red, and like a brighter blue. You can kind of see it. I mean, it's a really dark blue. So that's very cool. I like those colors. And then we have all our stamps. These are acrylic stamps. Did you guys get an auto ship? Let me know. I want to say this is the second iteration. If this is the third one, I'd be surprised. But I forget things from one day to the next, guys. So that's just how that goes. So there you go. Lots of stamps. Let's look at the inspo. I mean, I love these sheets. They're so bright and colorful, and then everything on here is very summer looking. So you have different fonts, smaller font than this one is what I was trying to say. There are different fonts, so this one's kind of groovy, right? Layering like cherries, pineapple, watermelon, I mean little lemonade and drinks. I saw that one right here. Super cute. So all these different things, if you want to pause here and there to check them out. You have your parrots and your tropical things. Oh, did you guys see that Spellbinders is doing a weekender at the end of May? And it's like tropical. Really cute. There's like a cheetah, or what's the one that's like yellow with the dots, with the spots? Yeah, cheetahs. And then, oh, so cute. So I'm debating because it is at the end of May, and I already have the other May thing for Anna Griffin, and then the August. Oh, what fun! You know, in live or online retreat, whatever you want to call it, workshop. I think it's sold out already, guys. So that is not something we can get into at this point. But I had no idea they had a weekender coming up. It looks really cute, everything that's in there, so we'll see. Okay, so then we have all these little fishies and cute things, right? Lots of sentiments there. Layering stamps that have to do with like the little ice cream cones and things. And then you have your popsicles. Very cute. This side's talking about what's in there, so there's 24 cards. You have your kind of 4th of July looking things, right? Little sunglasses and things. Very, very summery. Cute. Love that. So you have your like little layering watermelon and strawberries and a watermelon slice. Is that? I think that's it. Okay. So let me see. Again, super cute. Again, the ears are not tiny little things. It's very cool. Very cute. I like the little drink that's supposed to go in there. Just the way it's there. Again, layering here. Again, a really nice size, like a focal point. I mean, look how big that little Twinkie bus is. There's somebody that drives around when I live in Poway, and it's an older lady, so she has a Twinkie van like that, and I want one of those. I would love to have a Volkswagen like that, but like the old school one, like the new electric one, it does not look like the old school van, but I guess. And I'm like, oh, she's so lucky. She has like a little straw hat, and she's always just very happy in her Twinkie bus. But there you go. Very cute. All the Americana type things here. Cute. I like the sunglasses, like the little glimmery kind of thing here. Look, which is kind of interesting because it has its own lines, and this is another set of lines, but I'll look at the instruction again because I'm not sure why there's separate ones there. Very cool. You have your layering sunshine. I love the font on this is very cute. So sending sunshine. You guys can pause it. I mean, there's a lot. So if I go through each and every one, some days you just have to create your own, and then sunshine, I suppose. Again, you have like the little country there. God bless America. Things like that. Like freedom ring. We have our Statue of Liberty here, and then this font looks like it's about 1 inch. And so where's the rest of that one? Let's find that. Okay, so this is the lowercase to that. and then the Y and Z and the numbers. And then we have this font here that I think it's on its own. Yeah, just because this one's smaller, about 1/2 inch, I would say. The cute little pieces. And then here are the little tropical, maybe not. Yeah, they all look pretty tropical to me. Fish and animals and things. And then you have your lighthouse, I'd be lost without you, and things like that. The little shine, the little aura or halo, I don't know what you call it, but there you go. Let your light shine, let hope be your light, things like that. I love things like this with like little coral and seaweed and things and sand dollars, and let's celebrate. Very cute. It's your special day. Special day. Cute. And then we have our birds here, again, tropical birds and all these different palm fronds and things. And then all sentiments here. Again, really nice size sentiments. Oh, I will say one more thing about the Grand Marquis Autoship. I'll talk about that in just a moment. But we have a wave. It looks kind of funny here, but I guess it could be a wall of wave, but I guess you're supposed to stamp it like this. You have some little corner kind of sprigs, hello, summer, little borders, little bamboo, maybe some little like wave type of thing, scallop, and then the cute little shells. What I was going to say about the Grand Marquis Autoship that I showed you guys yesterday is that quite a few of you guys have told me that HSN told you guys it's going to be late, or they even canceled your order. So some people are still, you know, holding on. Hopefully they'll still get theirs. But if they cancel other people's orders, I don't know that they're going to end up shipping yours. They said they miscounted and there were more people on the Autoship, I guess. Which doesn't make a lot of sense, but I don't know how they work these things. I know I've been ditched by like Crafter's Companion auto ships before, and it feels bad because you're like, that's what I wanted. I wanted the thing, and so I got into it. So I'm very sorry. I don't know anything about that. All I know is that sometimes HSN will email me and say that the thing is canceled or it's going to be late, and then it still goes out the next day. So hopefully you guys will still get yours, and I'm very sorry about that. That's a real bummer. Let me know if you have any mix-ups or if it looks like you have a problem with this auto ship. I hope not. You know, that's a real bummer, especially with the Grand Marquis one, because it's very, very cute, and you know, generally they don't have them later, right? So that's a real bummer. But thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for letting me know your feedback and, you know, what's going on with you and your auto ships. I always like to know because I'm nosy. All right, guys, I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.